Hello students, this is Shiv Prakash and today you will study here conjunction. First of all, you must know what is the meaning of conjunction. So, the meaning of conjunction is to join something, or you can say it is a jointer which joins some words, phrases, clauses or sentences. So, the definition of the conjunction is: a conjunction is a word or a group of words which connects two or more than two words, phrases, clauses or sentences. So hopefully you will have understood the meaning, the definition of the conjunction. For example, you can take some sentences. Mohit and Sumit are friends. Here are two words, that Mohit and Sumit, and it is joined by the conjunction and. Mohit and Sumit are friends. Next, people's ignorance and population explosion are two interrelated problems. So here are two phrases. Phrases are the group of words which don't have any kind of verb. So here no verb, so it is phrase. People's ignorance, population explosion, these two are phrases and it is joined by the conjunction and. So the complete sentence is: people's ignorance and population explosion are two interrelated problems. The next sentence is: he said that he had completed his work. This and this both the group of word has a verb, that here said and here had completed. So it is a clause and it is also a clause, principal clause and subordinate clause, and both the clauses are joined by the conjunction that. Both are the clauses. So it joins words, phrases, clauses or any sentences. For example, for a sentence you can: Ram went to market and Syam went to school. Two sentences are there and both are connected by and. Now you should know the types of conjunction. The first is coordinating conjunction and the second one is subordinating conjunction. What is the coordinating conjunction? The conjunction which join the principal clause and coordinating clause, that is coordinating conjunction, and subordinating the principal clause and subordinate clause. So these two type of conjunction are given and they both have some types. So let me show you coordinating conjunction. Types of coordinating conjunction: first of all, cumulative conjunction. Cumulative means which are having the same sense. Same sense means same idea, same sense, then both are going in the same way, so they are joined by cumulative conjunction. Here the conjunction are and, also, both, and, as well as, now, to, no less than. Examples you can take: he is prosperous and honest. Both are the positive attributes of any person, so these both are added by conjunction and. If both have contrast ideas, then you will use but. So the same ideas are here, so you will use and. Ram as well as Mohan is honest. When it is Ram and Mohan, both the words are added by the conjunction as well as. The verb will be there according to the subject main, which is Ram. Okay. The next one is alternative conjunction. Alternative means which give you option, either this or this you can use. So here are the options: positive way, negative way, she must weep or she will die. So option that weep or die, two options are there. The next one is either he is mad or he is feigns madness. So both the ideas are in option, either this or this. Either you or he can go to the market, neither you nor he can go to the market. So in this way you can use alternative conjunctions. Means when you use options, then the conjunctions are used. The next one is adversative conjunction. Adversative means which have contrast ideas, that I had told you earlier in cumulative conjunction, that they have the similar ideas. In cumulative conjunction they have the similar ideas, then we will use cumulative conjunction. And if they have different ideas, then we will use adversative conjunctions. But still, yet, whereas, while, nevertheless, however, only can be used in this. The rope was thin but it was strong, means both are the different idea, contrast ideas, that thin can never be strong, but here it is given that thin and strong. He is poor but honest, like that. So thin and strong are the contrast ideas, and we will use but here. She is hardworking, whereas his brother is quite the reverse. So hardworking and reverse, that is not hardworking, both are the contrast ideas. So we will use where. He is industrious, still he does not get good marks. Industrious means very hardworking, and he does not get good marks. So it is said that if you work hard, then you will sure get success. But here the ideas are contrast, so we will use adversating conjunction here. The next one is elative conjunction. The one action is the result of the other, means there are two actions. The one is the result of the second one, the another one. Somebody came, for I heard a knock at the door. So you will use comma before for. It means reason that. When you use comma and then for, then it means reason that. Otherwise it will be another use of for, that as it is for my use only, then for is used in different way. But when you use comma before for, then it will, the meaning of it will be reason that. I was ill, so I could not come. The reason, result. So these are the part of coordinating conjunction, that is cumulative conjunction, alternative conjunction, adversative conjunction, and elative conjunctions. When the ideas are same, then cumulative conjunction. When any option is given, then alternative conjunction. And when the ideas are contrast, then adversative conjunction. And when one sentence is the result of the another, then we will use elative conjunction, that is for and so. Now the second one is subordinating conjunction. It has also parts, I will tell you. First of all, time. when, whenever, till, until, before, since, while, as soon as long as, just as. So these represent the time. So it comes under the subordinating conjunction, and further it is described as time. When I saw him, I stopped my car. When means the time when he saw him, he stopped his car. Wait here until I come. You must wait here until I come. The time till I come, until I come, you should wait here. So this is the sentence, and it is joined by until. The next one is place, where or wherever. You can go wherever you want. So it denotes the place. I know the place where you live. I know the place where you live. The next one is cause. It gives some reason. Since, because, as. As will be used in different parts, so don't be confused with as. What are its different meanings? I decided to bake cupcakes since it was my brother's birthday. Reason is giving. Since is also used in time, and since is also used in cause. In time, since is used as I have been living here since my childhood. So in this way the time is used, and here since showing the reason. I decided to bake up the cupcakes since it was my brother's birthday. So it is reason here, and in the sentence I have been living here since my childhood, then it is time. She came because I called her up. The reason why she came, because I called her up. Purpose. It shows the purpose of anything. That, so that, in order that, lest. So let's take the example. We eat so that we may live. Why we eat? The purpose is given, so that we may live. Walk carefully lest you should fall. It is negative conjunction. Not is included in it. Walk carefully lest you should fall. With the lest you will always use should. Result. It shows result, so that, such that. He is so young that he cannot drive. The result of this is that he cannot drive. He is so young, means his age is not as much as he can drive the car. He is such a fool that he doesn't understand anything. When any adjective is given, then you will use such fool that he doesn't understand anything. The next one is condition. If, supposing, unless, provided, he cannot succeed unless he works hard. The condition is given. Unless he becomes hardworking, he cannot succeed. He will help him provided she mends his ways, on condition. He mends his ways, on condition it means. The next one is manner. As if, as though, as far as. So example is given. He behaved as if he were a king. How he behaved? As if he were a king. As I was ill, I could not come. How? What is that? How he could not come? He was ill. The reason is given. Comparison. Comparison means when there is comparison between two things or any other more things. as, and some words will be given here as. So dash dash as, then these words are used. Mohit is as clever as a fox, means the fox, Mohit is compared to fox, that he is equally clever as a fox. He is foolish than any other boy in the class, means he is the most foolish boy. He is not so good as you. Here so and as. As clever as and so good as, it shows that equally, the comparison, that both are the equal in any comparison, and it is in negative sense. He is not so good as you, it always used in negative. He attacks over the enemy as a lion. So the way of attacking can be compared as lion. The next one is contrast. Contrast means the condition is given, though, although, however, these are always used in. Though he worked hard, he failed. He tried his best, however, he was not able to pass the examination, means both the ideas are contrast. He worked hard, he failed. He tried his best, but cannot get success in the examination. So both are the contrast words. Now, apart from it, some another conjunction are given. Correlative conjunction means they are used together, either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also, though, yet, whether, or. I do not know whether he will come or not. Whether he will come or not, both are used in the same sentence. He is not only intelligent but also funny. Not only intelligent but also funny. Remember here one thing, that when you use not only but also, you will use the same parts of speech here, as adjectives are used here, and if you are using verb, then both should be the verb. The one verb and one adjective, it will never be correct. So you always use same parts of speech in both places. Though he might not have recognized me, yet it is rude of him. So though and yet are used. After comma you will use yet. Now at last, compound conjunctions. Compound conjunctions means it is a group of words which is used as conjunction, in order that three words are given here, and we will always use them all together. Example is given. The announcement was made in order that all might know the new exam date, so that all may know, in order that. On condition that, I will give you money on condition that. It is conjunction, compound conjunction, on condition that. What is the condition? You will not misuse it. Even if. She will succeed in life even if she faces some initial failures. Both are the contrast sentences, and these are added by even if. Next, so that. We eat so that we may live. The result is given here. purpose. That is the purpose we eat so that we may live. Provided that means on condition that. Single provided can also be used, but here we will use that with it. Provided means on condition, and provided that means on condition that. You can take any dress provided that, on condition that. It means on condition that you return it after the party. As though he shows off, as though he is very rich. As though he is very rich means imaginary. It is means only manner is given here. As well as Ram as well as his friends has arrived. In earlier part I have told you with as well as, if any plural given, but the verb will be used according to this subject. Ram, according to Ram, here has is used. As soon as, the farmer will sow the seeds as soon as it rains. The condition is given. As if she felt as if all her worries had gone. It is also imaginary, the manner. So students, hopefully you will have understood about the conjunctions and practice more for the more knowledge.